Good morning and welcome back to Mooch Life. We made it to Cecil County Dragway here in Rising Sun, Maryland, and we are early. We're waiting in line to get in, and Pearl right there, the beautiful blue machine, has no business going down the track, but today's event is Run What You Brung, so guess what? We're sending it. And I got a special guest appearance. I'm not even driving the truck down the track. Somebody else is driving the truck down the track. I'm driving Slimer right there, but wait till you see who takes the truck down the track. And it's not my wife. So we'll see you in there. So I'm set up over here. We're gonna go take a look at the track. Everybody's getting ready to race, setting up their YouTube tents, getting all their merchandise set up and all that. So we're still an hour or two away from racing, but I'm gonna just take a quick shot. Let's walk down and take a look at the track here. Just a few short hours, I'll be taking Slimer down that way, see if we can get us a good time. My stock SS. I've ran the car before and my best time ever was a 12.97. So we'll see. It's warm today. I'll probably run in the 13s. But the other thing too, because this is Run What You Brung, I have my all-season tires on the car, so we're just running them, and that's okay. So we got the Ultra 423 Knights on there, looking good, 20-inch with the Goodyear all-season tire. Yes, I'm running an all-season tire down the track, and that's okay, because today is about having fun, and that's what I want my channel to be. I want to have some fun. I don't need to worry about being super fast, because maybe that will come with time. I don't know. We'll see. So, all right, let's get ready to race. Mrs. Booze, what are you doing?
Resting.
What?
I'm resting.
Resting? You've been here an hour and you're already taking a break. Okay. Plaid JPEG, Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Take some bomb dope rollers. Not just dope rollers, bomb dope.
Palm dope roller.
Bomb dope rollers. So, check him out on Instagram. He's gonna get sunburn on his knees because
I'm gonna do this.
Because he's gonna flex them calves.
That's what I came here to do.
Mr. Calves over here. So we're getting ready to race. We're teched in. Got our number on there, 330. So we're gonna get in line here as soon as they open up racing. Get a few runs in early, and then party the rest of the day. And you'll see what I mean by party, because my special driver I got coming up for the truck, he's a party. He's a party animal. Stay tuned for that. Time has come. Let's go get in line and get us a race. All right, time to rock and roll. So I'm racing my buddy Sean being Sean. I can't remember how to lift the fucking lid up on my helmet. That's annoying. Alright, we're next up to do a burnout in the water box. I guess I'm not racing Sean now because they made him go up. My car's not even fast. I don't care. Mooch life, baby. Woo! And my GoPro stayed on. Yeah! Look at me trying to YouTube. Woo! Oh yeah. That was hot. Couldn't remember how to open the visor on my helmet. How silly is that? But I guess when you never race. Oh, my legs are jittery right now, man. I don't know what it is. Like every time you get on the track, it's like, whew. That's why it's fun. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, let's see what we did here. 13:08. Not bad. 1:11:34. And I raced a motorcycle in the lane next to me. I was in the left lane, and the bike ran a 10:0 at 1:40. So that was fun. I was hoping to race Sean being Sean, but the track official like kind of made him come up, like he's trying to pump people through the lanes. We were at an odd number, so he actually had the race first, but it was still a good time. So got my first GoPro capture on the side window mount here, so that's pretty neat. And we'll go back and let the car rest, and maybe we'll make another pass.